finally, the official pictures of Google Pixel Fold is here, and you guys will love the outer display on the Pixel Fold. Also, there are some massive updates we are going to get on the Pixel Fold all in this video. Google is going out with the Pixel Fold in Google I/O event, and from a trusted source, we get the official images of the Pixel Fold. These new images are for marketing purposes and come with more details. Right now we know how well the Pixel Fold is built, let's break down a few things. First image shows us the outer display of the Pixel Fold, and this is the widest outer display on any foldable yet, and it is around 5.8 inches. But when we look at the second image, we see the back design of the Pixel Fold. Now at first glance it looks like the Pixel 7 Pro, but it's not. The camera layout didn't go edge to edge, still looks really good, but what more important is that the camera will outperform other foldables in the market. Before moving on, drop a like. Along with the first official look, we already have the hands-on video of the Pixel Fold, and the inner display is not how the outer display looks like. Yes, we saw big bezels on top and bottom, reasonably selfie shooter, except that the display is around 7.6 inches with a 120Hz refresh rate. Let me know, would you go for a Pixel Fold? Getting these updates are important, but what more important is the battery size of the Pixel Fold. It's out. The rated capacity of the Pixel Fold battery is around 4500 mAh, 100 more than the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and yes, it can hold against the Fold 4. But getting a same processor just like the Pixel 7 Pro, it's hard for the Pixel Fold to last longer compared to the Fold 4. Because of the Tensor Gen 2, chances are there Google might optimize this processor for the Pixel Fold. The cameras are where Google take a real blow. We are going to get a 48 megapixel main shooter, a 10.8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10.8 megapixel telephoto sensor. Remember, it's Google, not Samsung, so these numbers with the Google machine learning and AI algorithms, we are going to get the best camera ever in the foldable lineup. We are also going to see a 9.5 megapixel outer selfie shooter and 8 megapixel inner selfie shooter. Price of the Pixel Fold is out, where we are going to see two models. The one with the 256GB version will cost you $1,799 and 512GB will cost you $1,919. Both comes with the 12GB of RAM. There are some great PR deals we are going to get from the Google on Pixel Fold, which you can check in this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next. Until then, peace out.